back again to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please touch the subscribe button. In today's episode, I am going to show you how to make Nigeria beans and plantain porridge. So guys, please stay tuned and see how I will prepare it. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please touch the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I will start by washing my beans very well to remove every dirt on it. I will then add it into a boiling hot water and I will allow it to cook till tender. A great way to know if our beans is done is to get some on your spoon, press it. Once it's soft, it's done. Or you can chew it on your mouth and know if it's done. I added my onions and I added some tomatoes. I also added some water because my water is almost dried up. I added habanero pepper, 1 stock cube, some curry powder, just a little. It's optional. I like it because it gives my beans one sweet aroma. And I also added some crayfish. Then I will cover it up to simmer for some minutes. So I came back to add my oil, red oil. Then I added my salt to taste. I added some shredded fried fish. The fish is optional. You may add it, you may not. As you can see, it still have little water to dry up. So as I'm waiting for this water to dry up, I have to go and cut my plantain. I placed my frying pan, add some vegetable oil so that I will fry the plantain. I spread some salt on the plantain before frying them. So guys, this is the beans. This is the beans. This is how it looks like. You can serve this with custard, with pap. You can eat it like that as dinner, as breakfast, as lunch. So guys, this is the final look, guys. Have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? Please touch the subscribe button. The subscription is free, and try to touch the bell that will come up beside the subscribe button to notify you each time I will upload my video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.